How to use Perplexity AI for social media content. Want to create engaging social media post fast? Perplexity AI can help you craft ideas and content quickly. Start by typing your topic or theme into Perplexity's search bar, like Instagram post ideas for fitness. Perplexity will generate relevant content, tips, or even sample captions based on your query. Next, you can refine the results by asking for specific tones like make it casual or add hashtags. This way, your content matches your style perfectly. Use Perplexity to brainstorm multiple post ideas by asking questions like give me 5 catchy Twitter post ideas about healthy eating. Want to hear about your favorite social media platforms? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how you can use Perplexity AI for social media content. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.